Number 10, you have Credit Assistance Network. Our score, 8.2 over 10. So what we love about Credit Assistance Network is that they're really great for additional services. So basically, you have they've been doing this for since 2004. So they've been in the industry for the last 20 years. This is really good. And what we love about the Credit Assistance Network is that they're really fast too. Now they're kind of expensive though. In terms of the lowest first work fee, they're charging you $150. So this is kind of high in our view. What are the pros and cons of CAN, Credit Assistance Network CAN? So pros, you have a free credit consultation available. They do offer money back guarantee. You have a flexible cancellation policy. So this is really good. What about the cons here? Well, there's no live chat support. They have limited educational resources, and there's no mobile app. So this is something that's really important. But so far they don't have it. So CAN, Credit Assistance Network, 8.2 over 10. Number 9, we have here creditrepair.com. Our score, 8.5 over 10. What we love about creditrepair.com is that they have an excellent customer service. I mean, fantastic, okay? And so not only does it offer customer-friendly pricing, but it also provides several ways to connect with customer service, including phone, email, support ticket, and live chat. So as a client, you can also get a free credit consultation when you sign up and track your progress through the company's mobile app. So this is just fantastic. So where Credit Assistance Network doesn't have an app, creditrepair.com does have a great app. What are the pros and cons here? Pros, free credit consultation available. You have a mobile app, they're fully functioning. And this service also offers accessible customer service 24/7. Fantastic. What about the cons? Well, you only have 19 disputes per 45 to 60 days, and there's no money back guarantee. So if you're looking for some kind of flexibility on the pricing side, you're not going to find it through creditrepair.com, okay? And the thing here is that they actually have been in the industry for a while now, but they're not really that cheap though. So if you're looking for some kind of affordable solution, don't choose creditrepair.com. But if you want excellent customer service, if you want professionalism, they'll work with you, not a problem. And what we love here is that they're really fast too. So creditrepair.com is really fast. Number 8, we have creditfirm.net. Our score, 8.8 over 10. So this company is kind of cool for dispute services. So you have unlimited monthly disputes. The lowest monthly fee is $49. The lowest first work fee about the same price. So what we love about this company is that it's really great for dispute services. Not only does it send unlimited dispute letters on your behalf, but it will dispute issues with creditors and credit bureaus in several different ways, including sending debt validation, goodwill, and cease and desist letters. It also conducts CFPB, Federal Trade Commission, and Office of the Controller of the Currency, OCC, investigations on behalf of clients and provides identity theft assistance. What are the pros and cons here? Pros, relatively low monthly fees, offers a free consultation, and you can cancel anytime. What about the cons? No identity theft insurance available, does not offer mobile app, there's no live chat support, no live chat feature, by the way. So, and the thing is that creditfirm.net has been in existence for nearly 30 years now, okay? But they only offer one plan for its customers, and this costs about $49 per month. So if you want to have simplicity in terms of, simplicity and transparency in terms of pricing, this company is really good. Creditfirm.net. Number 7, we have Pinnacle Credit Repair. Our score, 9 over 10. So Pinnacle Credit Repair offers one of the longest money-back guarantee periods. You're talking about 4 months. Can you imagine that? 120 days. However, the guarantee only applies to one of the company's 2 service plans. The priciest plan doesn't feature a guarantee and actually charges a first work fee of $299. So what are the pros and cons here? Pros, the premium plan gives access to personal credit mentor. So you have a mentor. And this company connects account members to a network of lending partners. And you have a 4-month money-back guarantee. What about the cons here? It has a very high first work fee of $299. That's nearly $300. There's no free consultation available. And you do have limited information regarding the company's proprietary system. So basically, I mean, we don't blame them. I mean, Pinnacle understands that this is a very competitive industry. So they're hiding whatever whatever makes them Pinnacle. But it's just that for us, in terms of analysis, we don't have all the data points to be able to compare and contrast them appropriately. Number 6, we have the credit people. Our score 9.1 over 10. So this is really one of the most aggressive companies in terms of getting the job done. They have unlimited monthly disputes. The lowest monthly fee is $79. The lowest first work fee is $19. So when you think about like Pinnacle is charging you $299, the credit people, they're charging you $19. Okay, and so this is what it is. What about the pros and cons here? Pros, you have money back guarantee, competitive pricing, very competitive pricing, and the company offers a free credit consultation. What about the cons here? Well, there's no mobile app, it doesn't offer a debt management program, and there's no identity theft insurance. So this is whatever you have to think about. Now, as a customer, you can choose to pay $79 per month or $499 per year. And the credit people, they have a service package that includes unlimited disputes, a credit analysis, creditor interventions, monthly score updates, and credit monitoring. So this is kind of cool. Number 5, we have here Credit Saint. Our score 9.2 over 10. So this is, in our view, one of the best simple credit repair options. They have unlimited monthly disputes. The lowest monthly fee, $79.99. The lowest first work fee, $99. And what we love about Credit Saint is that it offers a comprehensive package for simple credit repair needs, designed for those who may not require all the bells and whistles of the more expensive plans. So, and the cool thing is that this company has been in business for a while. It has a long, very reputable history and an excellent 90-day money-back guarantee. So we'll love that a lot. What are the pros and cons here? Pros, 90-day money-back guarantee, 3 credit repair packages, and you have transparent pricing. What about the cons here? Well, Credit Saint is not available in all states, and you have 5 days to first work, and they have a relatively high first work fee. Okay, so it is what it is. They actually charge you $99. So this is what it is. But yeah, overall, this is a great company. I mean, we love them a lot. They're very reliable. They've been in the industry for a while now, so they know what they're doing anyway. Number 4, we have here the Credit Pros. Our score 9.5 over 10, and monthly dispute here unlimited. The lowest monthly fee $119. The lowest first work fee $119 also. And the Credit Pros actually is one of our best choices because it has a credit builder loan program, along a credit program, along with being a top notch of along with being one top notch credit repair company. And we love the fact that let's quickly go through the pros and cons here. Pros. You have credit builder loan available, 5,000 line of credit with National Credit Direct available. The company has a mobile app, and they do offer money back guarantee. What about the cons? No debt management program available. You have a higher cost than some competitors. And so one thing I want to say here is that when you think about the Credit Pros, I want you to think about comprehensiveness. They're really, really comprehensive. So the depth and breadth of services that they offer is just that those two things are really fantastic. Okay, really fantastic, and especially because you have the ability to build credit through them. Also, this is really fantastic. Number 3, we have Lexington Law. Our score 9.8 over 10. So Lexington is kind of cool for transparency. They are very aggressive though, but they are really like when you think about Lexington Law, think about something polarizing, and we love them because Lexington Law gets the job done. You may not like him, or you may like him, whatever. That they do get the job done. They are aggressive in the way they act. They actually operate. But here, listen: if you are trying to restore your credit, you want someone like you want a group, you want a company like Lexington Law to be on your side, and they get the job done. Believe me. And so they're really transparent too. So what are the pros and cons? Pros: you have free consultation for new customers, multiple discounts available, identity theft insurance is included. What about the cons here? Only 19 disputes per 45 to 60 days. No business credit services available. And the company doesn't offer a money back guarantee. Okay. Now Lexington Laws is not cheap. It does have like a 3-tiered plans based on your level of need. So if you need like a minor credit, you'll have to pay like $59.95 per month, and $95 like if you need something like really like I would say comprehensive, you pay like a $150. If you need something in between, you pay like $120 or $110 to $120. So it is like really everything depends on your needs. Number 2, we have Pyramid Credit Repair. Our score 9.7 over 10. So Pyramid Credit Repair has 10 years of experience, more than 10 years, by the way. Is one of the few credit repairs companies that credit repair companies that offer a discounted plan for couples and also 24/7 customer support. And however, its setup fees are higher than many of our main picks into this conversation. What are the pros and cons here? Pros: Pyramid offers 24/7 customer support. You have free credit consultation. You have discounted couple plan available and discounts for the military and teachers. And what about the cons? Little information is available regarding plans. An individual plan does not include finance tools. So, Pyramid, in our view, has a problem when it comes to transparency. They're not really transparent here. They should really change that ASAP. And it is what it is. But 9.7, they're still good anyway. Number one, the best of the best in our view when it comes to the best credit repair companies for charge-offs. You have Sky Blue Credit. Our score, 9.9 over 10. So Sky Blue Credit is great in our view for the best credit repair company for charge-offs because they've been doing this for a lot of years. Can you imagine? They've been in this industry since 1989. Fantastic, and they have had a proven track record of fixing things, of being very good for charge-offs. And monthly dispute unlimited, lowest monthly fee $79, lowest first work fee $79. And so it provides all the services you would expect, including credit repair, credit monitoring, unlimited disputes. They have a DMP, a debt management program, but most importantly, they're great for charge-offs, like getting things done real fast. What are the pros and cons here? Pros: the company offers 90-day guarantee. It's very easy to cancel the membership, and it has a lot of like a great transparent pricing, like in terms of getting the job done. We love that a lot. What about the cons? You only have one service plan, no mobile app, and no live chat available. So it is what it is. But overall, if you really want to get you want to really remove charge-offs real fast from your credit report, you want to talk to Sky Blue. They know how to do it. They do charge a lot though. So you pay $79 the first month, per month, and the first work fee is $79 also. But they actually provide a free credit repair consultation before you have to pay. So in addition to charge-offs, they take care of they do like goodwill letters. They send cease and desist letters. They do a free identity theft consultation at no added cost. So they're really really fair in that sense. If you're here, I want to give you a bonus because I love your attention. I love your loyalty here. So I want to share with you two other players that we have actually uncovered in our research. You have Trinity Credit Services. Our score 8.1 over 10. So Trinity has been in existence for 9 to 15 years. They actually were back and forth. So let's just say 10 to 15 years. The company offers a free credit report evaluation and a customized credit repair plan, which you can keep track of online. However, the company is not really clear about service costs and setup fees on their website. Additionally, they don't provide information about guarantees. So it is one of those things. If you are like us, you love transparency. You can actually, you can really take Trinity Credit Services with a grain of salt. Okay, but still, we think they deserve our 8.1 in today's rankings. What are the pros and cons here? Pros: free credit report evaluation. You can track the dispute process online, not a problem. What about the cons here? No information is available about services and fees. Another player we want to share with you is AMB Credit Consultants. Our score 7.7 over 10. So while AMB Credit Consultants has more than 10 years in the business and offers discount for couples, there are actually several areas where they can actually improve things. For example, transparency in terms of pricing. They're not the only one though, okay? But they also, like, once you actually sign up with them, they really trying to really cross-sell or upsell you on a lot of things. And this is something they really need to stop doing. So before scheduling a consultation, you must subscribe to a monthly credit monitoring subscription with Identity IQ for $24.99. Additionally, the company states on its website that you should not use annualcreditreport.com, which is the only federally authorized site to obtain free official credit reports from the credit bureau. So it's kind of crazy because it kind of looks like AMB is trying to really make sure that you only pay the Identity IQ instead of, so this is not really good. What are the pros and cons here? Pros: They have over 10 years of experience. They have discount for couples. What are the cons here? The company advises you against using annualcreditreport.com. Again, I want to state that this is really major because annualcreditreport.com is the only federally authorized site to obtain free credit reports. So for someone to for a private company to come out and actually advise against such a platform is really a big deal. And you got to commit to at least 6 to 9 months of service. You must pay for a credit monitoring subscription before the initial consultation. And there are extra fees for third-party credit monitoring. So, hey, listen, I don't know what kind of game A&B Credit Consultants is playing, but hey, listen, they need to change this a little bit. Before we close to this conversation, let's just say that, if you are interested in choosing the best credit repair company, just make sure that you have done your homework and you have to know that the level of help you need. Okay. Do you need like minor help, intermediate help, or advanced help? Do you need like a deep help? Okay. Like, is your credit score like in shatters? Do you really need to restore everything, or you are good to go? And you got to ask yourself also whether you can DIY it or you can or if you need to outsource it, because when you outsource it, of course you have to pay for it, but you are free. But if you DIY it, you have to acquire the knowledge, the credit restoration knowledge. You have to also think about the time. Okay. So if you want to compare credit repair companies, you got to think about services offered, the cost, the number of monthly disputes, the credit bureau coverage, the free credit consultation, the guarantees, and all that kind of stuff. And you have to also make sure that whatever company you're dealing with is legit, because the thing is that you have to understand you are sharing your social security number. You are sharing your name, your first name, last name. You're sharing your credit report information. You are sharing your address. You are sharing a lot of stuff, a lot of really, really private stuff with the company. So you got to really make sure that company is legit and not a bunch of scammers or whatever. So what you need to do here is that you want to actually, before you choose any company, you want to go to the CFPB complaint database. So this database lets you review complaints about companies that consumers have logged in with the CFPB since 2011. So this is a pretty reliable database. So this really helps you know whether or not this company is legit and whether this company is a scam. Like, really. So first thing first, go to that database, the CFPB database, so you have a clear idea whom you're dealing with. Okay. And then you can also check the FTC database to see if there is anything fishy around the company. Because the last thing you want to do is actually entrust your private data, your private information, your personal data to a bunch of scammers. Okay. And so it's one of those things you got to ask yourself whether using a credit repair company is really worth it in your situation. Are you married? Are you single? Are you buying a house really soon? How important and what kind of emergency are you dealing with? Like, what is triggering you to actually hire a credit repair company? Okay, so what kind of timeline are we talking about? Is it urgent? Can you wait? So those are questions I really want you to think about before choosing a credit repair company, because you always have to strike the right balance between DIYing and the whole thing, doing it yourself, or hiring a third party to actually taking care of the service for you. So it has to be monetarily and I would say monetarily efficient for you, but it also has to be logistically efficient for you. In other words, you want somebody to take care of everything. They have to have a mandate, because you don't want to be paying like a credit repair company every year for the next 10 years, right?